Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is my very first cooking video and we are cooking Dungeness crab legs and I've already flubbed the video. I made the whole video for you guys and then realized it was not even recording. So let's try to do this again, all right? So we are cooking tonight Dungeness crab legs, and this is my very favorite type of crab leg. I have tried snow crab leg, king crab leg, Jonah's crab legs, all kinds of crab leg, but my very favorite is Dungeness crab leg. So we are cooking this in the Instant Pot today, all right? So I keep fried. Let's get started again. Let's try this again. I'm messing up so much today. I'm gonna blame that on the Tecate, the beers I had before this, even though I'm not drunk, but let's just blame it on the alcohol. So I cook Friday night crab legs every single Friday. So I have crab legs probably 90% of the year on Fridays. I know it's kind of lame, but it's better than being out there in the streets partying and getting in trouble, or I'm safe. I'm at home eating my crab legs. It's the end of my week. It's my favorite thing to do. You made it through a long week. Let's celebrate with crab legs. So this is what I do. I used to boil them, but I stopped boiling them because they would get waterlogged and I just did not like that. So most of the time, 90% of the time, I roast them in the oven. But the 10% of the time that I don't roast them in the oven is because I've started cooking late, which I have done tonight. It's already 9-10 p.m. I know, cooking late at night like this. But I wanted my crab legs tonight, so 9-10 p.m. was the fastest way to get them done, the Instant Pot. So I have put my Instant Pot crab legs in here. There's a little metal holder that you get with your Instant Pot. I put that at the base, a steamer basket thingy to keep them from sitting directly on the floor. I put that on the base and then I put my crab legs in. All right, so I'm using Dungeness crab legs and these are the seasonings that I have used. I have put some of minced garlic in there. I get this from Dollar Tree or any dollar store, Walmart, Target, wherever you like to grocery shop. I've also seasoned it with onion powder and garlic powder. And this, you can just eyeball. I don't have measurements. I just put in however much that I want. And this is all to your personal preference, whatever you may like as well. Then I put some parsley on it. The reason why, I guess, because it just looks good. You know, you see it on the Red Lobster commercials. I don't know why I put parsley on. I don't know the flavor, but I put it on there. Whatever. My secret ingredient, chicken bouillon. You can use any type of chicken bouillon. This just happens to be the Maggie brand. And I use chicken bouillon. I put about probably 2 teaspoons in here. I have a pound of crab legs. And I put about 2 teaspoons in here. The reason why I do that is because I went to eat crustacean in Los Angeles and I fell in love with their roasted crab. And I went Googling like how to make crustaceans roasted crab. And there was a young lady up in Bay Area or San Francisco or something like that that had a blog. And one of the ingredients that she put in there was this, along with like oyster sauce and some other stuff. But I tried it with this and oh my God, it just elevates the flavor of your crab legs so much more. It's a totally secret ingredient. Don't tell anybody. Shh. All right. And then I also have this Punch Daddy original seafood boil. And I bought this off of Amazon and I didn't read the ingredients and I don't like it. I don't like it because it has lemon in it. I'm one of those people that just do not like lemon in my seafood. But if you like lemon in your seafood, you will probably love this. It's kind of like a Old Bay seasoning, okay? So my alternative that I only use this about probably 10% of the time when I cook my crab legs. I just like it garlicky, oniony, and parsley chicken bouillon. But 10% of the time, I'm feeling a little wild on the wild side, and so I will put some of this Florida crab and shrimp boil on here. And tonight is one of those nights. We're feeling a little frisky tonight, so let's do this. So I put that on there as well. And this right here is totally optional. But like I said, we're feeling frisky tonight, so let's put a little dab on it. Ew. So this is some garlic oil, and I just get this from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, or something like that in the little food section they have. And if you don't have one of those nearby, I will put the links to some garlic oil on Amazon, as well as these 2 seafood boil flavorings as well. I'll put that in the comments down below or either in the description, so that if you guys want to purchase some for your own crab legs, you can do so. So we have got everything into the Instant Pot and it has not started cooking yet. So let's get started cooking because it's already 9:11 p.m. All right. So you want to make sure that on your Instant Pot, the little ring in here is all the way down, because sometimes when you wash it, you know, after each use, it comes up a little bit. So make sure that you put your ring all the way down. And I'm actually going to turn the Instant Pot around so that you guys can see it a little bit better. I'm going to put the top on. Twist to the right. And you have your little knob. I don't know what this is called. It's probably in the manual. I don't know. And you're going to flip it to the right hand side or to the top all the way, because you want to make sure that the pressure is staying in the pot and not releasing as you are cooking. And for most people, I'm going to put it on manual. Mine automatically starts in 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is reduce the time. And for a lot of people, they may want to start off with 3 minutes of time to cook yours if yours are like thawed out. Or if they're kind of semi-frozen, you want to start with 4 minutes. But mine were 100% frozen, so I'm going to do 5 minutes to start cooking. And the reason why is I have done it with 3 minutes before, and they were 100% frozen. Okay, we ready to get started? Okay, all right, no problem. Go ahead and do your thing. I started with 3 minutes before with completely frozen crab legs. And when I pulled them out, they looked beautiful and delicious, felt beautiful and delicious. But when I started eating them, they still were a little bit warm, cold, and that's not cool. So I've tried it with 4 minutes as well, and still a little bit cold, but 5 minutes gets it all the way cooked. So we are using 5 minutes today. So you will want to know whatever your level of frozenness of your crab legs is, you will want to put that on for your Instant Pot. So somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how frozen your crab legs are. What else should I say? Where can you find your crab legs at? This Dungeness crab leg bag came from Walmart, and it is 1.5 pounds. It was like $16, $17. Sometimes I get them from Sam's Club if you have a Sam's Club membership, and it is $23, $24, but I believe it's 1.5 pounds or either 2 pounds. I think it's 2 pounds because it's a better value than getting it from Walmart, but I didn't feel like going to Sam's Club today. And the absolute best value is to get your crab legs, if you like Dungeness crab legs, and you have a deep freezer, is to get them from Costco, because they have them for like $130. It's 10 pounds. It's frozen, and they ship it to you, and the shipping is like free. So you're like paying like $13 a pound for 10 pounds of crab legs. So that is the absolute cheapest amount, but I just didn't have that right now at the house, so I went with the cheapest. Walmart's a mile away from my house, so I just grabbed those today. I'm gonna let this go ahead and start cooking, and when we get done, I'm gonna come back. I may make my butter in the meantime, or I may show you guys my butter. We'll find out. In the meantime, I will be making my little perrito her dinner, because it's also time for her to eat. I know it's super late. Don't kill me, guys, but it's Friday night. We're up to party. Let's do this. So I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, guys, so we've got like 1 minute left on the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my butter, my melted butter. So I've got some butter here in a little microwavable dish. Gonna put some of my secret ingredient, chicken bouillon. Ooh, put too much. And just gonna dip a little bit. It's like 1/2 teaspoon I put in there. Got some parsley. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on there. And garlic. You guys can call me Guy Fieri the way I love garlic. And I'm just gonna microwave this. Oh my gosh, the crab legs are ready. So I am microwaving my butter, and since my crab legs are done, we're gonna go ahead and get those started taken out. So I like to turn it all the way off. just to be on the safe side, and release the pressure release. Oh my God, you guys, you can smell that pressure. Woo! Smells so good. We're gonna eat good tonight, y'all. All right, check on the butter. Needs a few more seconds. Don't want it to bubble over, but we're microwaving the butter. And our crab legs are about to be finished, guys. All right, so, and the pressure tab has released, so we are officially done. Butter is done, crab legs are done. Oh my gosh, you guys, cannot wait. Do you guys see this beautifully organized kitchen drawer? You should check out my kitchen drawer organization video, linked here. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some tongs, and I'm gonna give you guys a closer view, so let me grab the camera. Our butter melted, and look at these crab legs. Oh my gosh, guys. Don't they just look amazing? Don't you guys wish you had smell-o-vision? Smell-o-vision would be so awesome right now. So these are my Dungeness crab legs. They are 100% done. All right, so let's see if we can pull these out of the Instant Pot and put them in the plate at the same time as holding the camera. All right, these are skills, you guys. This is the stuff you don't get to learn in school. You definitely want to use some tongs because this is hot. And that's the remainder of our little juicy goodness. And these are our crab legs for tonight. So I am one of those people that do not like to eat cold food. So I'm going to say to you guys, au revoir, arrivederci, adios, and bon appetit. Enjoy, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys are going to make some Instant Pot crab legs. I'm also going to put a link below to my roasted crab legs in the oven so that you guys can check that out if you prefer to roast them in the oven, if you don't have an Instant Pot, or if you just don't want to try the Instant Pot. So I hope you guys like this video. Sorry I was so crazy, but please like the video, thumbs it up, give me a comment below, subscribe if you like me and my personality, or whatever. You know, if you don't like me, it's okay, like totally. But if you like me, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you.